Hi, welcome to the Sugar Hero channel. I'm Elizabeth LeBeau, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and easy homemade hot fudge sauce. It's got this gorgeous, glossy, lush, velvety texture and a really deep chocolate flavor that's good on everything from milkshakes and ice cream to brownies. Start by chopping up 6 ounces of dark chocolate. You can use semi-sweet or go even darker if you like more of a bittersweet vibe. You can use chocolate chips for this, but make sure they're high quality and have a good chocolate flavor. Cheap, flavorless chips will give you a flavorless fudge sauce. Now combine that chopped chocolate with 2/3 cup heavy cream, 1/3 cup of light corn syrup, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon salt, all in a medium saucepan. Place the pan over medium heat and stir frequently while the chocolate melts. Once the chocolate's melted and the fudge sauce is simmering, reduce the heat to medium-low and keep it simmering for another 3 minutes, stirring regularly. This extra time is important because it ensures the sugar is totally melted, so your sauce won't be grainy, and it helps the sauce thicken up and improves the texture. At the end, your hot fudge sauce should be beautifully glossy and smooth. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let the fudge sauce cool for a bit until it's warm but not super hot when you use it. Once it's completely at room temperature, transfer it to a jar or other container, and you can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. I love this on ice cream and milkshakes, but it's also delicious drizzled on cake or swirled into brownies. You'll definitely want to keep this on hand for chocolate emergencies. Give it a try and let me know what you think. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fun dessert recipes. Happy eating!